This is the V11 Dual. It has all the same features as the basic controller, but can operate two pumps. The Dual combines two controllers, allowing for two users and the use of only one battery. To wire your controller, start by connecting the two 12-volt DC pumps. Connect the brown controller wire labelled 1 to the red wire of pump 1, then the blue controller wire labelled 1 to the black wire of pump 1. Follow the same steps for pump 2 using the wires marked 2. Next, connect the black wires together and the red wires together, but do not connect them to the battery. Now fit the ring crimps to the end of the wires, and the fuse holder close to the battery end of the red wire. To do this, cut the wire and feed each end into the holder, then tightly close the holder with a pair of pliers. Now attach the black ring crimp to the negative terminal and the red to the positive terminal. Finally, fit the 15 amp fuse in the fuse holder. Remember that fuses should only be fitted once all connections are made. The controller is now ready to use. To turn on the controller, press and hold either the up or down button. Use the up button to increase the flow rate and the down to decrease the flow rate. To turn your controller off, press and hold the enter button. For other settings and controller messages, please see Spring's auto calibration instructions and digital controller messages videos. For more information and products, please visit www.springltd.co. Thank you.